Hello, everyone. Before we start, let me ask you something fun. Do you love mornings or do you hate mornings?
Great question, Mimi. Today, Mimi and I will share our full day, from the alarm clock to pajamas. And trust me, our routines are very different. Stay with us.
Welcome back to English Suit Chat, where English learning is easy, fun, and a little wild. How are you today, Leo?
I'm good. I had my morning coffee, so I am awake and roaring. How about you, Mimi?
I'm great. I had such a peaceful morning. And a good morning is very important.
Yes. And today we talk about something everyone has, daily life. Our routines. Morning, afternoon, and night.
People think routine is boring, but routines can be interesting and very different.
And daily routines are perfect for practicing simple English.
Leo, you don't like mornings, right?
No, I'm not a morning lion. When my alarm rings, I think, oh, new, already?
What sound does your alarm make?
Just loud beeping. Beep, beep, beep. It scares me every time.
Haha, poor lion. My alarm is soft music. Calm and gentle.
Maybe I need that. My alarm makes me jump like a scared cat.
Do you press snooze?
Snooze? Yes. 5 more minutes, then 5 more, then 10 more.
That is so funny. When do you finally get up?
When I am super late, then I jump out of bed like I'm on fire.
My morning is very different. I wake up early, before the sun. No noise. No people. Just quiet.
That sounds beautiful.
Yes. And first thing I do, coffee.
Coffee is my superpower too. I like strong black coffee.
I like soft coffee with warm milk.
Do you look at your phone in the morning?
No. I sit near my window and enjoy the morning moment.
Well, I check news and emails and stress myself.
Try my way. It helps a lot.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Yogurt with fruit. Sometimes eggs. Healthy and tasty.
Wow. My breakfast is fast because I am late. Toast, banana, done.
After breakfast, I take a hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower wakes me up.
Then comes a big problem, choosing clothes.
Yes, I know. Every morning I think, I have nothing to wear.
What is your solution?
Simple. I only have blue, white, and gray shirts. I choose one. Done. No thinking.
Haha. Smart lion.
How do you go to work, Mimi?
I take the bus. It's cheap, but crowded. But I listen to music or podcasts, so it's okay.
Nice. I drive my car, but the traffic is terrible. Stop, go, stop, go. Every day.
That sounds painful.
It is. I play loud music to stay awake.
What's the first thing you do at work?
Coffee. Again. Then I open my computer and see. Emails. So many emails.
Same. I answer emails, check tasks, help people, and more emails.
Meetings, reports, talking.
Yes. Work can be busy but interesting. Do you bring lunch?
No. I buy sandwiches from a cafe. Very tasty.
I bring lunch from home, simple salads or sandwiches.
After lunch, I get sleepy, like a lazy lion.
Same. Around 3 p.m. I feel sleepy too.
Tea, cookies, snacks, something to wake me up.
Then we both continue work until 5 p.m. I take the bus again. Slow but okay.
I sit in traffic again, but I tell myself, relax. You're going home.
First thing I do when I get home, I say hello to my dog, Max. He jumps, barks, and gets so excited.
Cute. When I get home, I also say hello, but to my cat, Bella.
Does she get excited?
She looks at me like a queen and says, Meow, now give me food.
Cats are the boss. I sleep early, around 10 p.m. I brush my teeth, wash my face, wear pajamas, read a little. And boom, sleep.
I sleep late, 11:30 or midnight. I always say one more video and suddenly it's midnight.
That's why you're tired in the morning.
Yes, but I still do it.
Routines show who we are. Your morning is calm, mine is loud. Your dog is excited, my cat is bossy.
But routines help English learners. Simple words like wake up, drink coffee, go to work, take the bus, cook dinner, sleep.
Learners, try talking about your routine every day.
Practice makes English natural and easy.
Are you a morning person like me? Or a night person like Lio? Tell us in the comments.
Like, share, and subscribe to English Zoo Chat. Your support means a lot to us.